In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front lower transmission mount on your Honda Accord. This will be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to go through these two access holes and remove the two bottom nuts for the transmission mount. Remove the two nuts for the front transmission mount. We're going to do this so we don't put too much pressure on the mount as we push the transmission up to remove the rear. Using a 14mm socket. Install the jack with a spacer under the transmission, and we're going to push the transmission slightly up. Remove the two 14mm bolts on the side of the transmission for the transmission mount. Remove the two bolts. We're going to work that bottom stud out first. Pull the top one out and remove the mount. Install the new mount. We're going to go slightly down on our transmission to help the bolts line up. Get the bolts started by hand. Snug the bolts down. Torque the bolts to 33 foot-pounds. Pull the jack all the way down. Once you have those two top bolts in, install the nuts on the bottom. Get these started by hand. I'm going to go through and do all four. Snug the bolts down. Torque the nuts to 33 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.